got a drummer this morning. Let me get on out of here. I've got to go on back to Tennessee. But can I preach Tennessee style? Yeah, Lord. I heard the blind man said, well, you don't want me to get to my breakthrough, but I got to get to Jesus. Yes, I am. And a lot of you all know this morning, you need to be praising God. But the devil wants you to come in here this morning and also identify. You need to be praising. When prayers go up, blessings come down. Can I tell you, in the text says, he cried, the Bible says, the blind man, he cried, Jesus, have mercy on me. Yeah, Lord. And I heard one of the commentaries say, the more he cried, the more his faith increased. Faith will unlock the door. Yes, it will. Have I got a witness this morning? I got to get to him. Jesus, Jesus can help you. And I heard the Bible said he resists the proud, but he gives grace unto the humble. I like this one right here. Yeah, Lord. Can y'all help me preach this thing? I've got to get on out of here now. But let me tell you what the word said. The man, yes, it did. He had a plan, and his plan was, you want to get me to be quiet. Like some of you all looking at me now, you know you need to be praising God. It was Jesus kept you this far. So